Guys, did you know that Facebook has to pay their users almost $1 billion? Yes, you heard it correctly. Facebook just settled out of court for $725 million that they have to pay their users for selling their information. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to explain step by step on how to get this money, and I'm going to tell you everything that happened. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I created the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair expense into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, we're going to talk about Facebook in this settlement and how to get the money. But before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience, and also allows YouTube to push this within the algorithm, and it also allows us to leave these lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to mycreditapproved.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to mycreditapproved.com, check out the software, and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video, guys. This video is going to be an interesting one because it's going to teach you how to get the bag. Now, Facebook, for those who don't know, is a social media company. It's the #1 social media company in the world, and it has almost 3 billion users. Now, the users that Facebook actually have is substantial, but we're going to talk about today the users in America. This video is for the Americans because this video was targeted by the American voters. The American voters' information and privacy was tainted by being on the platform of Facebook. So let's dive straight in. So 87 million users has been affected by this breach. This has been the biggest privacy breach in social media history, and this can be pretty scary. Now, what you have to understand is that Facebook is not the one that actually leaked their information. It's a company called Cambridge Analytica. Now, Cambridge Analytica is another company that basically hosts data. They sell data to other companies for a good rate, but the way they gathered this data and the way they used this data was very evil in a lot of ways, because it basically manipulated the American people to influence them to make better votes towards the person that had the interest in their votes, right? So basically what happened was Cambridge Analytica did a quiz. So you know those quizzes where they basically give you a love quiz, give you a quiz that basically teaches you about yourself, and you know, zodiac quizzes. Those type of quizzes gets a lot of information, and in those quizzes give access to a lot of information from your profile, and you honestly don't not know the terms and conditions when it comes to those quizzes and the accessibility that you're giving these people when it comes to you filling out a simple quiz. Now, the quizzes, you're probably going to do it, you're never going to think about it again, but what they're doing and gathering information from those quizzes is substantial. 87 million people took a quiz called This Is Your Digital Life. This is a Digital Life is the quiz that everyone took, 87 million people, and basically what they did with that quiz, they took the information from that quiz and did psychological profiles on everyone that did and took in that quiz. And with those psychological profiles, they basically profiled and created a profile for the people that filled out that quiz, and with that profile that they accumulated, they sold that information to the parties that had interest for voters purposes. Guys, this is interesting because it basically lets you know the power that is given via social media that can handle and really have influence over a vast amount of other avenues outside of a simple quiz. Guys, this started with a quiz, and this information was used for a political candidate, the political 2016 election. So do you understand how powerful that can possibly be? 87 million people information was affected by this, and and was targeted by this to help the person run a country. Guys, that is huge. A simple quiz had influence to help you decide on who's going to run an entire country. Guys, you need to be more cognizant to the information that you are putting out there on the web, and you need to be more cautious of the quizzes and that simple Facebook information that you are giving them without really understanding the detriment and the power of the information that you are just basically allowing them to use. Facebook in 2015 knew about this. They knew about everything that was, well, this actually happened in 2015. Facebook knew about it in 2016. So Facebook knew about it almost instantly, and they really didn't do much about it. They told Cambridge Analytica to delete the information from their platform. Obviously they didn't, and Facebook basically kept it under the radar as long as they could to basically not put themselves in a position allegedly to catch the wind of this potential data breach. So Facebook didn't say anything about it for months and months and months and years and years and years, and now, and just recently here, the government basically subpoenaed Facebook about this data breach, and Facebook and Mark Zuckerberg said this:
people everywhere have gotten a powerful new tool for staying connected to the people they love, for making their voices heard, and for building communities and businesses. But it's clear now that we didn't do enough to prevent these tools from being used for harm as well. And that goes for fake news, for foreign interference in elections, and hate speech, as well as developers and data privacy. We didn't take a broad enough view of our responsibility, and that was a big mistake. And it was my mistake, and I'm sorry. I started Facebook, I run it, and I'm responsible for what happens here.
So exactly, as you can see in the video, Mark basically apologized for the data breach and took full responsibility for it, but the damage is already done, right? So with that being said, Mark and the Facebook company decided to settle out of court for $725 million to be distributed over the potential clients that was affected by this data breach. So you have a very strong chance, if you live in America, to have Facebook between the years of 2007 and 2022, you have a fairly good chance of actually getting approved for this settlement. The settlement is really easy. You can go to Facebook userprivacysettlement.com. The information is really plug and play. It's really simple as can be. All you have to do is type in some general information, scroll down to the bottom, and basically click submit. You have until August 25th to file this information. That is the deadline. Now, this money is going to be distributed on whoever applies. So if you don't apply, you're not going to get any of the money, or if you basically apply after the deadline, you're not going to be able to qualify for the money as well. So August 25th is the deadline for you to qualify. Guys, leave it in the comments. Let me know in the comment section, have you already filled this out? Do you think that you were a person that was breached by this? If so, please let me know how it affected you long term. And also in the comment section, let me know about this in its entirely. Let me know in the comment section if you feel like social media have too much power over jurisdictions as far as countrywide. Like, I feel like this is just showing the very small potential of power that these social media platforms can control full-blown countries with it, guys. This can be pretty scary. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about this, if this has happened to you before, or do you think that this is going to be a long-term problem? Let me know in the comments. I'm really interested about that, guys. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel, like I said. Until next time, guys, take care of your credit and take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out.